everyone. Alright, so on my nails I have Zoya, which is Chelsea. It's a beautiful like baby pink. And then I have Salon Perfect, which is all beat up because I love these ones and my kids always use them. Way Back When, which is this beautiful like bluey gray color. And then I forgot I got this as well, Zoya, the polish of the month for January. It is so pretty. It's called Hyun. And I have it on my thumb, not the bottom part, but like the top part. Oh, it is so pretty. You can do it by itself or on its own. It's going to be amazing to put on top of colors. I'm so excited. So anyways, you can grab that now. And since I've had my polish on for like a week, I'm going to like cover up the imperfections, of course. So I have a sponge and some white polish. So I'm just going to put, this is stamping polish too. So I'm going to do that one and then some of the pink up top and then just go in like this, because my tips are like the first thing to usually go. So I'm just going like that. So just getting like a tiny little gradient. And of course I got like chips and stuff, but again, I don't mind. So yeah, you have to let me know if you're like a big Valentine's Day person or not, because for me, I've never cared about Valentine's Day, except for candy, because I love candy. But, like, the whole thing is just so stupid to me. And it is my dad's birthday, so we've always, like, celebrated him. But it's going to be different this year because of things. And, yeah, it's just crazy. But I've never been one to care for Valentine's Day, or any holiday for that matter. Oh, except for the 4th of July. That's like my favorite. So, anyways, let me know what you guys do for Valentine's Day, if it's like a big deal to you or not. Alright, so then I grabbed Uber Chic Beauty Pretty in Plaid number 3. And I'm going to be using these two images here. So first up, I'm going to use the white. It's Essential White from Uber Chic Beauty. And I got my clear jelly stamper, scraper. So I'm going to do this bigger one right here first. It says to do this one first, but I like doing this one and then putting the second color over it. So you just want to scrape that, pick up, and I'm putting these on my blue nails, so just making sure it's there and then pressing down like this. And then I found the perfect pink to match from Clear Jelly. It's number 68. So I'm going to be putting that on, I guess, the first layer, but you can really do it any way you want. So this one's getting low because I love this one. To grab some more. And then you are going to want to scrape it in different directions because those lines will cut out and you don't want it to. So these just go right in the middle, although I forgot. See, you want the little pink to show up on the bottom. So I'm just going to move it this way to have it not show through. And actually, you know what? I'm going to change it because we can do a different one. I forgot. That's why you want to do it below. Hello, pay attention. Follow the arrows. Let's see. I need to clean the plate better. So it's okay. I will just change it. And then I will put the pink over here on this one. I like this one because this can go over right there. Cleaning this stamper. And then, not the stamper, the scraper. Making sure it picked up. And then, so now we can just put these along here like that. And it's no big deal. You can just fix it if you do it wrong. If you watched my channel, you know that by now, that sometimes you just have to fix things and it is okay. So I'm going to stamp my pinky and be right back. So I stamped my pinky and I was thinking about putting like, because I took this plate out right here, the Be My Valentine, and I was thinking about painting in a heart and putting it on either my pointer or my ring finger with the blue, but I honestly just kind of like it like this. So I'm going to add Smear Not Top Coat by Clear Jelly Stamper, and I'm going to apply that to all my nails. And then you could either add Clear Jelly Stamper Top Shine or just your favorite top coat or leave as is. I think I might take pictures with it shiny and then do a matte top coat. But anyways, I hope you get some ideas. Again, you can put some hearts on there for Valentine's Day or some snowflakes. Ooh, snowflakes would be really cute too. So just an idea for some cute little plaid nails for either winter or Valentine's Day. So, all right, I will see you later. Bye.